Good day guys, Techno here again. So today I'm going to be showing the Galaxy Watch Active hands-on review. So Galaxy Watch Active was released alongside the Galaxy S10 in March. So the Galaxy Watch Active isn't the most exciting smartwatch money can buy, but it's cheaper than it was at the Galaxy Watch launch. So it looks to offer an improved experience for those interested in fitness. So this probably won't have a must wearable for those who already own a modern smartwatch though. So why don't you click on the subscribe button below and bell icon to receive updates when I upload a new video.
Design and display. This is another round smartwatch from Samsung. Unlike on the Galaxy Watch, there's no rotating bezel here in what we assume is an attempt to make a sportier design for the wearable. It feels a lot lighter than the last gen watch, but if you're used to using the Galaxy Watch, you may not be pleasantly surprised that the most intuitive way to navigate around has been dropped. There are 4 color choices for the Galaxy Watch Active: black, silver, blue, technically sea green, and pink. The pink band comes with a rose gold body, while the rest of the watches just come with the same color as the body. It's also a 20mm strap too, which you can swap out for your own strap if you want to. On the right hand side of the watch you'll find 2 buttons to turn the watch on. In the middle is a 1.1 inch 360x360 resolution display, while the body of the watch only comes in one size. That's 40mm, and while it sits between the 38mm and 42mm Galaxy Watch variants, it's a shame you won't be able to pick out of 2 choices for this edition. In our limited testing time we found the watch to comfortably sit on the wrist, but it doesn't look as high-end as the Galaxy Watch. It's also IP68 water resistant, meaning you'll be able to wear this when you head into the pool for a dip. OS. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. The watch comes sporting the latest version of Tizen, which means it has extra watch faces we haven't seen before on the Galaxy Watch and a slightly refined design. It still works with a spinning wheel of apps around the outside of the display, and there's still a limited selection of third-party options, but it looks to have matured and may be even easier to use than on previous Samsung watches. That's only if you're navigating around the screen though, as there's no rotating bezel here for you to quickly spin around the display. Fitness. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. The Galaxy Watch Active comes with a heart rate monitor like your average smartwatch, but it's also capable of measuring your stress levels. It notices when your heart rate peaks, and from there it'll tell you to take some time to monitor your stress and even recommend breathing exercises for you to undertake. This isn't a groundbreaking feature, as we've seen it on other products before, but it's a helpful addition for those who want to monitor their overall health away from just fitness. The watch also comes with a blood pressure monitor, which we weren't able to try out during our hands-on time. It's capable of monitoring your blood pressure through a service called MyBP Lab, but we're not currently certain as to exactly how this works. It's something we'll be sure to dig into more during our full review. Fitness fanatics are catered for here though, with GPS tracking and auto fitness modes for 39 different activities, which include the big hitters like running and cycling, as well as support for third-party apps like Strava. In specs. There's a 230 mAh battery inside the Galaxy Watch Active, which makes sense as it's a touch smaller than both versions of the Galaxy Watch. It charges through wireless charging, which means you can boost it up with Qi charging pads or your new Galaxy S10 with its 2-way charging feature. Under the hood is a dual-core Samsung Exynos 9110 with 768 MB of RAM, which is a similar setup to what worked well on the company's last generation watch.